Hello, hi everyone. Okay, today we unboxing one kit NZ-333 a-AZIERU metallic. This it's not high grade. This 1550 scale. Okay, here you can see this from a Gundam base. This is from Thailand. This is the price. This posing or articulation there. So what inside here is we got two pack only and one manual. Okay, so the first pack is metallic but not so shiny. First runner is runner number was don't have the number. Then this same here, got two runner, another one. One body caps and got small Gundam here. Still don't have runner number, runner A, B, whatsoever, just the name here. And lastly, the sticker here. So it's a manual. Then show here the number here. So the runner don't have a ABC. Then they have a number up until 86. So you need to follow the number, not follow the alphabet on the runner. So this is the manual here, and you have to attach the main body, the landing mode. So something new, the runner don't have an alphabet. So we do the review, speedbook and review later. Okay, that's all. Bye.